Hi.
What's up?
Ooh, sway bar.
Ready?
I'll hold it for you.
Ready? 1, 2, and 5.
That's how you count, too. I know. You did not finish school.
I never said I did.
Stay in school, children, or you'll be like Bernie. Well, hell, that's a definition of
Little baby sway bar.
yeah. That don't do shit. Bye. All right. So in a little bit, I can start on this. Burns is going to continue on tear down over there. Before you do that, be a deer. And get these apart.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
It's going to make life easier.
Nope.
Please do it.
Nope.
Oh, I like how somebody rattle canned the underside after they.
That
That explains why there's black overspray all over this gray Wilwood caliper.
Yep.
I wonder who did that. I definitely wouldn't mind going and having a conversation with those people.
Right?
You know, that's the type of stuff that pisses me off.
No, I know. You love it.
Oh, lazy people. Yeah, so please get these bushings out for me. I will love you
Well,
forever.
I can get one bushing maybe out if you're lucky.
Okay, get this side apart, then you can do that side.
All right,
Thank you.
start on this.
Thank you, love you long time. Yeah, but get this. Love you long time. Burns.
What's up, buddy?
I saw you got the right side and left side suspension, the lower half anyway, apart. And now you have top part of the shocks off and done. Beautiful.
Now
So
I'm
you're
going to go back up
Go up,
on
pull
both
that,
the shocks. Pull those up.
and then we can start messing with the springs and all that stuff. I know we're going to have to tag team some of that. And then I'm going to start putting... I actually have, in my chair here, one of the strut rod pieces.
Oh, that's super cool.
Already. If you undo that Allen, and then this has a 1/2-inch drive on the end of it, so you stick that in where you want it, crank down your 1/2-inch drive, and then you use your Allen as a set.
Lock it in place.
Yep.
That's pretty sick.
Done deal. Those are nice, huh? Yeah, they're big, bad, threaded, billet. You ain't breaking that.
Ooh.
That's way better than a piece of rubber.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be solid
Yeah.
to keep you in place. That's for sure.
Yeah, baby. All right.
All right.
Moving on.